Today I'm going to be installing a set of Sokietech hood dampers or hood struts into the XRS. As most of you will know if you own any of these Corolla models, that they all have the stupid hood prop, which is fine, but these are going to be a lot better. I have these in the blue Corolla, but I never made a video on them because I did them at the same time as I installed the sway bars, and then I think I may have just cut it from the final edit of the video, or maybe I didn't. Maybe I do talk about these there. Anyway, that video was garbage. So I'm going to be showing you how to install these. It's actually very easy. In fact, I really don't have to show you because the instructions will tell you, but I'll do it anyway. Definitely a worth it mod. They've been on the blue Corolla since 2019-ish, and they've been pretty good to me. Definitely recommend these. Hopefully their quality control is great, and these will be the same story as the other set I have. Anyways, that garbage was way too long of an intro, so let's just go ahead and get these installed. So here we have the instructions. First thing we're gonna do is throw these in the garbage. So here's the orientation. The smaller bit goes on the bottom, bigger bit on top. One of these is strong enough to hold the hood up, and it's not stuck. It'll go. The hood will fall if I leave it like this, but when it's up all the way, only one of these can keep this whole hood up, which is pretty nice. So now, repeated steps on the other side. This whole area of the car isn't in greatest condition because some idiot thought it would be a good idea to crash it twice. I forgot about this, but this is the same problem that happened on that car. This little lip kind of gets in the way there, so you're gonna have to not install this fully and clip this ball joint in and then tighten it. And it shouldn't crack, but maybe it will. I don't know. Maybe I'll take a little snippers to this and just slice that off. Actually, you can't even see that on camera because it's so damn blurry. Okay, yeah, it doesn't even work. Brilliant. And now one more thing. It is November and it is 73 degrees. Can we please chill out a little bit, please? So that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you want to go ahead and get these for your car, I'll leave the Amazon link in the description down below. They're a pretty good set of hood struts. Like I said, been using them on the Corolla for quite some time now, and they have not failed me. So I think they're pretty good. These ones actually seem to be working a little better than the other set I got too, which is pretty nice. Anyway, that's going to be it. If you enjoyed, go ahead, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.